Today we talk about how can you create items on your Square app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When you click here on more, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on items here. When you click on items, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on all items. So then you come to this list, click here on create item, click on it. When you click here on create item here, it's going to take you to this list. Then here you will add here items, then item name, then category here. So then you just click here on options if you want. So then you follow all this list here. When you down, go above save, click on it, and it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.